Hi students, in this video we are going to see the evaluation part of the Unit 2, the physical features of Tamil Nadu. இதில் first Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Option A, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Option B, Corbett National Park. Option C, Sundarbans National Park. Option D, Randhobar National Park. Answer is option A, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Second question, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at dash. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at dash. Option A, Aravalli Range. Option B, Nilgiri Hills. Option C, Himalayan Range. Option D, Vindhyas Range. So as answer is option B, Nilgiri Hills. Third one, the topmost branches of trees form a chain called. The topmost branches of trees form a chain called. Option A, sunlight. Option B, canopy. Option C, forest. Option D, mangrove. Answer is option B, canopy. Fourth one, the Tamil Nadu experiences dash. Fourth one, the Tamil Nadu experiences dash. Option A, extreme winters. Option B, highest rainfall. Option C, tropical climate. Option D, snowfall. Answer is option C, tropical climate. Fifth one, dash are found in the places where there is heavy rainfall. Dash are found in the places where there is heavy rainfall. Option A, deciduous forest. Option B, swamp forest. Option C, evergreen forest. Option D, none of them. So answer is option C, evergreen forest. Second Roman, filling the blanks. First question, the dash is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Question, the dash is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Answer is Pulicat Lake. Pulicat, Pulicat Lake, Lake, Lake. Answer is Pulicat Lake. Pulicat Lake, Pulicat Lake. Second question, dash is the highest peak in the Nilgiri Hills. Dash is the highest peak in Nilgiri Hills. Answer is Tottapata. Doddabetta. Tottapata. Doddabetta. Tottapata. Third one, dash has the third longest coastal line in India. Third one, dash has the third longest coastal line in India. Answer is Tamil Nadu. TAMIL, Tamil. NADU, Nadu. TAMIL, Tamil. NADU, Nadu. Third Roman, match the following. First one, mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu. Question, mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu. Answer is Western and Eastern Ghats. Answer is Western and Eastern Ghats. Second one, Suruli waterfall. Second one, Suruli waterfall. Answer is Theni. Answer is Theni. Third one, India's first sea bridge. Third one, India's first sea bridge. Answer is Pamban Bridge. Answer is Pamban Bridge. Fourth one, Pichavaram. Fourth one, Pichavaram. Answer is mangrove forest. Answer is mangrove forest. Fifth one, Tamil Nadu's coastal line. Fifth one, Tamil Nadu's coastal line. Answer is third longest in India. Answer is third longest in India. Once again I read match. Mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western and Eastern Ghats, Suruli waterfall, Theni, India's first sea bridge, Pamban Bridge, Pichavaram mangrove forest, Tamil Nadu's coastal line, third longest in India. Fourth Roman, true or false. First one, Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. First question, Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. Answer is true. Second one, Tamil Nadu is located in the western of India. Second one, Tamil Nadu is located in the western of India. Answer is false. Third one, Kurunji flowers blossom once in 2 years. Kurunji flowers blossom once in 2 years. Answer is false. Fourth one, Tamil Nadu experience hot and humid weather throughout the year. Tamil Nadu experience hot and humid weather throughout the year. Answer is true. Fifth one, deciduous forests do not shed leaves. Deciduous forests do not shed leaves. Answer is false. Fifth Roman, answer in one word. First question, where do the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at? First question, where do the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at? Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Answer is Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri. Nilgiri Hills. Hills. Hills in Tamil Nadu. Tamilnadu. Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Second one, where is Kutralam waterfalls located? Second question, where is Kutralam waterfalls located? Answer is Tenkasi. 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 Third one, what is mean by IMD? What is mean by IMD? Answer is Indian Meteorological Department. Answer is Indian Meteorological Department. INDIAN. Indian Meteorological. METEOROLOGICAL. Meteorological Department. 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 Indian Meteorological Department. Fourth one, where is Pichavaram Mangrove Forest located? Fourth one, where is Pichavaram Mangrove Forest located? Sidambaram in Tamil Nadu. CHIDAMBARAM. Sidambaram. IN in Tamil Nadu. TAMILNADU. Tamil Nadu. Fifth one, name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu. Fifth one, name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu. Answer is Vaigai, Palar, Kaveri. Vaigai, VAIGAI. Vaigai. Palar, PALAR. Palar. Kaveri, CAUVERY. Kaveri. Vaigai, Palar, Kaveri. Sixth Roman, answer the following. First one, name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Question, name the state that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Tamil Nadu shares boundaries with. Tamil Nadu shares boundaries with. First, Andhra Pradesh on the north. Andhra Pradesh on the north. Karnataka on the northwest. And Kerala on the west. Andhra Pradesh on the north. ANDHRA. Andhra Pradesh. PRADES. Pradesh. ON on. TH the north. NORT north. Second point, Karnataka on the northwest and. KARNATAKA. Karnataka. ON on. TH the northwest. NORT north. West. WEST west. AND and. Third point, Kerala on the west. KERALA. Kerala. ON on. TH the west. WEST west. WEST west. Next, second question. What are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? What are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? The landscapes of Tamil Nadu are mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Answer is mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. MOUNTAINS. Mountains. Plateaus. 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 Plains. 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 AND and. coast, C-O-A-S-T, coast. Mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Next, third question. What are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? Third question. What are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? The different plains in Tamil Nadu are river plains and coastal plains. Tikachi the different D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T different plains P-L-A-I-N-S plains I-N-N Tamil Nadu T-A-M-I-L-N-A-D-U Nadu R-A-R-E-R river plains R-I-V-E-R river P-L-A-I-N-S plains river plains and A-N-D and coastal plains C-O-A-S-T-A-L coastal P-L-A-I-N-S plains coastal plains. Student, once again I read the different plains in Tamil Nadu are river plains and coastal plains. Next, fourth question. Name some important waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Fourth question. Name some important waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Okanakal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Suruli waterfalls, Vattaparai waterfalls. Okanakal waterfalls. Okanakal Hogenakkal Okanakal waterfalls Waterfalls waterfalls. Second one Kutralam waterfalls Courtallam Kutralam waterfalls waterfalls waterfalls. Third one Suruli waterfalls Suruli Suruli waterfalls Waterfalls Suruli waterfalls. Fourth one Vattaparai waterfalls Vattaparai Vattaparai waterfalls Waterfalls Vattaparai waterfalls. Okanakal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Suruli waterfalls, Vattaparai waterfalls. Fifth one, name of any two wildlife sanctuaries in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Fifth question, name of any two wildlife sanctuaries in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. One, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Second one, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary. Mudumalai M-U-D-U Mudu M-A-L-A-I Malai Mudumalai Wild W-I-L-D Wildlife L-I-F-E Life Sanctuary S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-Y Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Second one Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary I-N-D-I-R-A Indira Gandhi G-A-N-T-H-I Indira Gandhi Wild W-I-L-D Wildlife L-I-F-E Life Sanctuary S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-Y Wildlife Sanctuary. Next, sixth question. What are notable beaches of Tamil Nadu? What are notable beaches of Tamil Nadu? The notable beaches of Tamil Nadu are Marina Beach, Rameswaram Beach and Kanyakumari Beach. Marina Beach M-A-R-I-N-A Marina Beach B-E-A-C-H Beach. Rameswaram Beach R-A-M-E-S-W-A-R-A-M Rameswaram Beach B-E-A-C-H Beach and A-N-D and Kanyakumari Beach K-A-N-N-I-Y-A Kanyakumari K-U-M-A-R-I Kanyakumari Beach B-E-A-C-H Beach. The notable beaches of Tamil Nadu are Marina Beach, Rameswaram Beach and Kanyakumari Beach. Okay student, we will meet the next class. Bye. Thank you.